If you're struggling with acne, don't worry, it's a common problem for people of all ages, though more so for teens and women going through the menopause. Please subscribe to our channel to always get notified of our new home remedies. Acne happens when you've got a hormonal imbalance in the body. There's plenty of home remedies you can try and prevention measures you can take to speed things up. Here are some natural home remedies that you can try. Please repeat each procedure 1 or 2 times a day. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and has antibacterial properties, so it is a great tool in your acne scar treatment arsenal. Apply the gel to the scars and massage it in. Leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse it off. 2. Lemon. Lemon works as a natural bleach and helps lighten any kind of scars on your skin. It removes dead skin cells, promotes new skin cell growth, and improves skin elasticity. Apply fresh lemon juice directly onto the scars using your fingertips or a cotton bud. Leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with water. 3. Coconut oil. This is a rich source of vitamin E and fatty acids. Rub coconut oil into the skin. Massage onto scars for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave for an hour. Rinse with warm water. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda works as a mild exfoliant to help fade the scar tissue by layers. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl to form a paste. Apply the paste on your skin and leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. 5. Apple cider vinegar. The acidic property of apple cider vinegar helps lighten pigmentation in the skin. It also stimulates collagen production, repairs cells, and removes dead skin cells. Mix equal amounts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and water. Dip your cotton ball or cloth in it and apply it to scars. Leave for 5 minutes and rinse it off with water. 6. Potato. The high starch content helps fade scars and blemishes. Grate 1 potato and strain through a cloth to get the juice. Apply this to the acne scars. Leave it for 20 minutes before rinsing. 7. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is loaded with skin-healing properties. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with a little lemon juice to make a paste. Apply it to the scars. Wash it off after 15 minutes with warm water. Pat your face dry and apply a moisturizer. Do not pop or squeeze acne and pimples as they cause scars. Also, ensure daily intake of plenty of water to moisturize your skin. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.